Hello viewers. Today on IAS in depth, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, marking the birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Born in Porbandar in Gujarat in 1869, the journey of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi from a shy law student in London to a civil rights activist in South Africa paved the foundation for the leader he would become. Embracing Satyagraha or the force of truth, Gandhi led numerous non-violent civil disobedience movements, challenging oppressive laws and authorities. Back in India, Gandhi became the symbol of hope and peace. His leadership during the Quit India movement, Salt March, and other pivotal moments became instrumental in India's quest for independence. Beyond the political realm, Gandhi promoted simplicity and self reliance, championing the use of khadi and living a life devoid of excess. Gandhi's dream was of a unified India where every individual, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, lived in harmony. He tirelessly worked towards communal harmony and understanding. Mahatma's teachings transcended borders. Global icons like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela drew inspiration from his principles. In today's world of strife and conflict, the Gandhian path of nonviolence and truth stands as a beacon, reminding us that lasting change is achieved not by might but by steadfast resolve and love. Today, as we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, let's remember and strive to imbibe the timeless lessons he left behind, ensuring that his legacy continues to inspire generations to come. Thank you for joining us today on IAS in depth. Let's carry forward the Gandhian spirit in our hearts and actions. Please like, share, and subscribe for more in depth explorations.